Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So first, let's add an image to this document. Click the Insert tab, Image, and select any source where you store images. I'll choose to upload from a computer. Now select the image and click Open. By default, the image takes up a certain place on the page and cannot be moved. And in order to wrap the text around the image, we need to select the appropriate option here on the bottom left, namely the second one on the left. And now we can freely move the image around the page, and the text will always be wrapped around it. In addition, we can reduce or increase the distance between the text and the image. Click Image Margin and select the distance that you need, more or less. And if you need to adjust the wrapping more accurately, then click these three dots and select all image options, and then text wrapping. Here we are interested in the wrap list, where we can choose which side to wrap the text on, and a little lower we can fine-tune the distances between the image and the text from all sides down to 0. And that's it. Now you know more.